Oh, mga kababayan dyan. Kamusta kayo? Actually, I'm trying to video kasi alam mo, siguro mga 12 or 15 years ago, nag-retire na ako. Tapos my wife is about 10 years younger. Pero we used to live in a very crowded place sa Washington DC. Tapos to also live in New York and Chicago. Tapos nag-stay din kami sa Pilipinas for 6 years. So we decided na gusto namin lumipat sa probinsya, sa Maine, USA, which is really quite far, malapit sa Canadian border. Pero ulang mga konti ng mga bahay, so natural. Hindi gaya ng New York at saka ng Washington DC. We enjoyed our time there sa New York, lalo we love New York City. Kaya lang, gusto namin mas medyong buhay na medyo tahimik ng konti. Tapos wala masyadong traffic. Kaya lumipat kami sa Maine. Parang probinsya talaga ito. We live in a very small town na mga siguro 15,000 lang ang mga tao, which is very small. So ngayon, dito na kami sa Maine and we're really enjoying it kasi punong-puno ng nature. Later papakita ko yung bahay namin na malapit sa isang stream. It's really beautiful. Simpleng buhay lang, but it's really great kasi yun nga, walang traffic, walang so we're really enjoying ourselves right now. So right now, my wife and I take a walk every morning kasi we want to be happy and be healthy. 80 years old na ako. I want to live to be 100. Kaya gusto kong mag-walk every day just to keep myself very healthy, and my wife too. So ipakita ko lang yung mga areas na itong area na ito, itong trail na ito, dito kami naglalakad almost every day. Pakita ko lang. It's really beautiful. What a beautiful place.